Hello, recruiters. Welcome to another episode of Tobu TV's Recruitment News with your host Karthik. Our special guest for today is nobody. We tried one guy, but this is how it went. Anyway, so today's recruitment news is how the top industries have performed by most job openings month over month. The top 5 industries on 1st of October were 1. Retail and wholesale, 2. Financial services, 3. Healthcare, 4. IT, and 5. Transportation and logistics. On 1st of November, they were at number 1, still retail and wholesale, even though down 29%. At number 2, still financial services, even though down 14%. At number 3, healthcare again, but this time up 8%. At number 4, we had a new number 4, manufacturing, which saw the biggest gain of 15%. At number 5, it was IT, just about down 1%. The biggest loser, though, was transportation and logistics, which saw a 31% decline in the number of job postings. For more news, trends, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Actually, you will see me soon. This is your host Karthik signing off.